So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another today topic is math subject is good or science subject is good. I support the science subject is good for the all people. And how do you support?
I will support the like that math is more than important of science, but I will know the both subject is good, but the math is more than important to the science. If you know math, then you will do any job and any easily you can take.
Okay, please give me 5 advantage of math subject is good for our.
Yes, I tell you, if you do math, your mind is sharp. Second, and if you do and read math, then you will solve any question easily. And if you will solve math, then you take any job easily. And you know all jobs, any job you go in the math is compulsory. Okay.
Okay, do you know?
First. Please tell me 5 advantage of science.
Okay, do you know? First advantage is our world is depend upon on the science.
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
it is right. You
No.
how can you say?
I will say that you only read science.
No, all people are read science.
Yes, I read, but it's not more important than math. Okay.
Suppose that in your home any member is like that sick and you don't know what is science and you go to the hospital and the doctor says suppose that your member have fever in your family member and doctor said you are by the any medicine and any medicine give you and you don't know what medicine give the patient then he healthy. Okay, do you know in the fever is like the paracetamol, calpol and dolo it is our medicines are which is good for the fever. Okay,
Continue.
you speak.
Okay. You know many old peoples. He was not read anything, and he was not read anything, and he was so old, and he was live like that many after years, and then he was not know what is science, what is math. Then he know you say fever. He know what is fever, and doctor keep advice. It's like that call Paul is important you and he will eat, then he was very normal, so he know. Okay. And if he was not read, then he also know because he was not any pressure. Okay.
Okay, do you know science is a very good for all peoples and science
Do you know math is important for all people?
but science is more important than the math because suppose that you have science suppose that the poor people are like that old people like that 50 years ago and 25 years not 50 years ago they are cook the food in the like that cow dung. Okay, the like that modern period is come like that in this time people are have LPG and many etc things like that one and 50 years old people have a like that stove that fill the kerosene and pump then it is burn. Okay,
You know LPG
yes,
and you know diesel.
yes,
What is the rate of diesel
diesel rate is like that 92. Okay,
and what is the rate of LPG?
LPG rate like that one cylinder is like that red cylinder is 1120.
So which is big?
LPG.
And then you say modern period things are very good, and you know,
Do you know kerosene?
do you know? Yes, I know. First listen, if you have a mind and you will learn science, then why you don't go in biogas, and why you don't make
Do
biogas?
you know ethanol?
No, I don't know ethanol.
Ethanol is like that petrol.
Yes, it's a diesel tree.
Yes. And some people are in the research of the ethanol tree. Then when ethanol tree is science or scientist, suppose that any people have like that scientist made the aeroplane, bike, car, etc. It is good for all human.
First listen. Science is not important. You say scientists make all things, and in there like the Pratapgarh, one children was make a Wagoner like that. He was have like that a car Wagoner, and he was converted into helicopter. It's have science.
Yes.
It's have only mind.
It also read the science and study
No,
knowledge
no.
of science.
It's you say and you will listen and you will see. He was not read any school, read in any school,
Suppose that.
and he was not learn science.
Okay, leave this. And suppose that any person, scientist make the mobile phone, smartphones.
It's
keypad
very bad.
phones.
It's very bad. I say you. It's very bad for our family and you. Also you, if you like that do mobile phone and in the mobile phone many games like the FIFA, PUBG, you will play and you will that.
Okay. Suppose that this point, leave this point, and suppose
Why
that
like this point? Why like this point?
because you are is also angry. And second point is, suppose that you are don't know what is science. Any people don't know what is science. Then suppose that what you eat, what you wear.
You know vegetables.
Yes.
And all village people are no vegetables. He was
No,
not read science.
but
He was not read science.
You don't know how to grow the vegetable.
You know like that our villagers.
Yes.
He was go in a shop and he was come like that agriculture things. And he was agriculture and he was grow crops.
Finally, I am winner.
Finally I am winner.
Okay.